Watch me when I spit. My spot in the game is legit. I spit magic flow. I'm ahead of the game. 10 toes.
First off, good morning to all of my beautiful angel seekers in Christ. I love you with all of my heart, and thank you for coming back to visit my channel for another makeup tutorial. We are all blessed, and I just want you to take the time out to say thank you, Jesus, if you haven't done so already. I'm gonna go in with a primer and we're gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video so you guys won't be wasting all of your time here with me. The foundation that I'm going to be using is the Fit Me foundation, and I'm just using a regular brush to get it applied, but it's in the color of 355. I don't know, it makes me seem a little shiny, but I like it anyway because I'm not used to having the whole makeup look anyway, so yeah. But I would like to say that this foundation, it actually is very smooth. It blends on my skin very smoothly. First time using it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, because the last foundation that I had, it had me looking like a ghost. I'm just playing. But you know, this one is a lot better. I do apologize for my attitude, y'all. I was tired, like I said. I've been up trying to show the tutorial on my crochets, which is the last video that you had seen. So it's early in the morning, and I know I got a 2-hour drive to make to and from, so I'm just kind of irritated. I do apologize for that. Do you see how flawless this is though? Like I said, I just love it. And you can see on my hand, it blends like I never even put anything on. I love that about this stuff. So we're gonna move to, of course, the highlighter. I just love the highlight. It's actually a bronzer. I've been showing it to you. It's, I think, NK or something to that effect, but I'm just brushing up on my cheekbones, my nose, of course, and I believe that's probably it. You know, I've learned that you actually can use a little bit too much, and I didn't want to do that this time, but I do love it. Like I said, it's NK, and I'm still rubbing it on my face because I can't get enough of it, but I do need to stop. I wish I could tell myself back then, stop, but that's not how voiceovers work. But anywho, yeah, I'm feeling myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the stuff packed on my face. Now I'm gonna be going in with my Go Brow stuff, which is basically just mascara for your eyebrows. So here I have Broadway lashes in the number 1, black, of course, because I'm a nigga. I'm just playing. But I have the Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive. My advice would be to kind of slide it off with your finger when it comes around to getting it off, because you don't want to disturb the shape. I actually learned that from a past YouTuber that I was watching at that time, way before I was doing videos of my own, of course. But once you have gotten the adhesive onto the lash line, you blow it until it gets sticky or tacky, as some people like to call it. And then I applied mine with my hands because I don't have any tweezers yet, but I will be investing in some soon. And if you have mascara, now would be a good time to go ahead and blend your lashes with the fake lashes, and then of course apply for the other side as well. Okay, now I'm going in with my black NK lip liner, and I'm going to outline my lips with it. But hey, y'all, if y'all ain't got no more eyeliner, or you running low on eyeliner and you feel like you don't have enough to do your face, use this lip liner. You can use lip liner on your eyes, and vice versa. If you don't have any more lip liner, you can use eyeliner for your lips. Just because it says it on the package, eyeliner or lip liner, it does not mean you can't use something else. Because in one of my past videos that is on YouTube, I used blush for my lipstick. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but it looked good to me and it worked. So if something has more color, then go for it. It doesn't have to be restricted to that one place that is on your face, that just because it has that on the package. use versatility. I actually learned that from other YouTubers as well before I started making my own videos. So I'm just passing that along, what I've learned from them, and I'm passing it on to you. Okay, we learn together and we work together, and that's how this thing works. We trying to get ourselves looking glammed up, looking beautiful, so that's what you do. And so I'm just about feeling myself, you can see. So now I'm gonna use, matter of fact, let me look to see what type of lipstick this is, and y'all gonna have to pray for me because I don't remember what the color is, and I've never used it before, and I was afraid of how it might look. Now I went and found that lipstick, and it was the brand CELAVI in the color nude, and it was like COS MLS 007, I believe that's what it was. But yeah, so it was a nude, and that's the color I was striving for in the name, nude, but not in the color. It was really bright, so I just kind of dabbed to get a little of the access off so it wouldn't just pop out so much. After I get done primping, of course, I'm going in with my 3-way drawing liner by She. Not her, not me, but she. I am not able to get it any closer to my waterline, so once you get it where you want it, move to the other side and be done with it, okay? Yes, so I'm feeling myself. Look at me all beautiful and glammed up. That's how it's supposed to be. You feel me? You feel me? Okay, so now I'm using the RK by Kiss Dare blusher in the color purple. Last time I used the pink one, I think, on my eye palette and my lips. But this time, I'm just using it on my eyes because I already have lipstick on, as you can tell. Now, after a lot of trial and error, I cut all of that out because I felt like y'all didn't need to see all that because I was looking crazy, okay? It's on to my favorite, y'all. Yes, that NK Perfection bronzer. I love it. I love it. I love it some more. I use it on almost everything. As you can tell, you see I'm putting it on my eyes because it just gives that extra glow for that glam look. Okay, I know you feel me, okay? You got to feel me. But yeah, I'm just, putting that on my eyes, my tear ducts, my cheekbones, my nose, my chin even, forehead if I can think of it. I love this stuff. I don't see a reason not to use it, but there is a such thing as too much. I learned that in the past, but after glamifying, I'm going to use my setting spray. You just use a couple inches from the face and swim around in it, and fan yourself. Keep looking cute. And now I'm just gonna work on my hair because I know y'all seen that crust on the side of my face from the edges, the edge control I had used the night before, but I ain't got to worry about that now because it's covered up by my bangs. On a day that I don't have to drive 2.5 hours to church, then yeah, I would have fixed it, but I just covered it up in this case because I had spent so much time on my face getting it together and all. But y'all, hold up for a second. I just want to ask y'all, do this look kind of similar? Because in my opinion, it does. I was not striving for that hairstyle at all. It was just on my first crochet video. Actually, that was my first time doing crochets, and I didn't have that in mind at all, set aside from the braid pattern, of course, and the edge control crust on my head. I felt like it did look kind of similar, but if it does, let me know in the description box down below. Not the down, y'all know what I'm trying to say, not the description box, but the comment box. Yeah, I love y'all with all of my heart. Be blessed, and I hope to see you checking out my channel in the future, because you do not want to miss out on what I have in store for each and every one of you. Okay, y'all, I love you and smooches.
I gotta talk to him cause I got a million questions, and I know he can answer it all with one answer. That's the first thing I do when I walk in heaven. Praise to you.